I was recently having a conversation with a friend with older kids the other day, and she said something that really struck with me. As kids get older, they tend to believe information from outsiders, their teachers, their friends, social media, over what their parents tell them. And it got me thinking about why I chose to homeschool. Stick with me and let's dive into the details. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share everything homeschool, mom life, how I make money online, and all sorts of things. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure to like this video so that you can continue to receive more juicy content from me. So when my friend said this, it got me thinking about how I was parenting before I started homeschooling and how I was parenting after I started homeschooling. And I realized that I was two different people. And so this video is not to convince everyone to start homeschooling their kids and for all the schools to be shut down, but it's to encourage parents to switch something up in here, because that's where it starts. When my child was going to school every day, I didn't feel like it was my responsibility to teach them things. I didn't think it was my job to do that. So I knew it was my job to make sure I send them to school so they can get a good education, so they can go learn things. But as soon as I started homeschooling and I became the sole educator for my kids, something switched up here. Right? I started using every single moment as a teachable moment, whether we're driving in the car, whether we're going out hiking, or we're sitting down to do an actual lesson. Every moment for me became a teachable moment because I know that I am responsible for teaching my kids everything that they know. Okay? What I didn't realize is that also instills in them the trust that I know things. So as they grow up, when they meet outside influence, or when they meet the outside influence and people start telling them things that are contrary to things that I have taught them, guess where they're going to go for verification? They'll come back to me. As parents, I want us to come to the realization that we are outsourcing the educational part of our kids when we send them to school. It is not it is our responsibility to educate our kids, and when we send them to school, we're just outsourcing a small part of our responsibility. The purpose of this video is to encourage every parent, every mom, every dad to know that you are responsible for teaching your kids everything that they know. So before they go out there and they're told something different, make sure you tell them at home. Make sure you sit your daughter down and talk to her about things that you don't want, about the things that you want her to know about herself, about her sexuality, about boys, about, being a woman. Make sure you talk to your son about, being a man and all the things that they need to know and the things that they need to understand. It doesn't start when they're older. If you wait for your daughter or your son to get older before you start teaching them things, they won't listen to you because they're not accustomed to you showing them how or to you telling them why. Okay, so that's why I said for me, homeschooling is a lifestyle. So I think homeschooling should be a lifestyle for every parent, regardless of whether your child goes to school or not. My kids are homeschooled, but they are involved in a lot of extracurricular activities. That's me outsourcing their ability to swim, to run, to play football to someone else. It's the exact same thing. When you send your kids to school, you're simply outsourcing their ability to read and write and learn geography and mathematics and all the other subjects that they need to learn. But it is your job to raise them, to teach them values, to teach them everything that they need to know to actually be a good person. It doesn't take math, science and chemistry to be a good person, right? It's the values that you instill in your kids that really matter. As we know, from 0 to 3, their brains are developing extremely quickly and forming neural connections. That's the time for you to spend as much time with your child as possible. From 3 to 5, they begin to understand things a lot more. They start learning, they're curious, they want to know things, they want to, be involved. Parents, this is the time for you. Spend as much time as you can with your kids. If your child is above 3 or 5 or 10 or whatever age they are, it's never too late. Start with the little things. As parents, we need to build trust with our kids. Even as adults, right? You meet someone today, you build a relationship, and then you start trusting each other based on that exchange. So it doesn't matter what age your child is at, you need to build that trust so that when they go out there and they're told something contrary, they will come back to you for verification. So this is something that bugged me at night, and I thought I'd make a short video about it today. I hope it has helped someone. I hope you found this useful. And if you have, or if you think I'm missing something, please drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.